Why go to a dealership to find a car when you can locate one in your local shopping mall?
If I take you down, would you really hold me down and be your best?
In today's video, we're going to talk about Bangkok and some of the malls I discovered here.
I'm like, yes, ma'am. When you got me feeling for your body, you might turn me to a yes, man.
The Siam branded mall is one of the biggest in Thailand, and I was quite shocked at what it had in store when I went inside.
We ain't gotta go outside. Two-step in the rain. Wake up by my side. Don't care what you think. Oh, you just my type. Oh yeah, she know the deal like an old script.
One of the biggest shocks to me was that you could actually find cars for sale inside the shopping mall.
But you could do better with me in the middle of the road, the back of the Jeep. So baby, let's not talk.
I normally see a display or two of cars in malls, but never have I seen it where you could actually get inside and buy a car. A whole floor was dedicated just to auto sales. It's quite impressive.
When you got me feeling for your body, you might turn me to a yes man. Oh yeah. 80 and I'm 40, I'm a nervous bitch, I'm flyer than your ex man. Why you act so extra? Let me in your section.
After perusing the mall, we stopped outside for a bit. It was quite hot outside. The heat was taking a toll on Byra, and she had to rest.
Two goofies on the run, couple 40s in the backseat. Spirits in my lungs, got my voice a little raspy. Turn me to a yes man.
This is a quick glance of some of the decorations outside the mall and the metro system above.
She just wanna hit me with a quickie by the pool, and I'm like, yes, ma'am. When you got me feeling for your body.
One of the interesting things I found at this particular train stop was that there were quite a few malls that you could access from just this one area. You could either go down to the street and find it or come back upstairs and walk around. Byra decided to get a little bit of dancing in after she recovered from the heat. Of course, she started to attract some attention, and that just put everything to a pause. One thing I did notice that reminds me that this is somewhat of a developing country is that people still use trucks, well, the back of dump trucks, for transportation.
Yeah. Yeah. You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of light.
All right, Lynette, get ready to see the market. This is the madness you missed. This area can be quite busy, and the prices here are quite reasonable, and you can find quite a great many things to purchase. The earlier you can arrive, the better it is. The later it gets, the more crowded the place gets. Here's Byra doing one of her most favorite pastime, which is shopping and negotiating for prices. You hit the top, all you left with is the memories. If you love shopping haggling for prices, and finding great deals, the Chatuchak Weekend Market is definitely someplace you'll want to put on your list for a stop when you're in Thailand. I want to thank you for stopping in and watching another one of my videos. Please give us a like and a thumbs up. If you have any questions about Thailand or anything about our trip, please put your questions in the comments and I'll respond as soon as I can. Have a great day. Take care.